everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More in my garden spot. This bed here is my brassicas, and this was one of the first ones I lined with some scrap netting that I had. Well, I pieced it together and it's bolting out of the edge. Let me see if you can see that. Right here, the greens are bolting, so I want to cut those off, but they're coming out of this, so I need to recover this. I need to open it up and cut off the flowers, and then I see my spinach over there also has flowers on it, but I need to get some of this Swiss Chard because the leaves are getting pretty big, so I'm going to harvest that. I think I'm just going to redo this at a later point. It's hot in the 90s here, but it is 8 o'clock now, so the sun is kind of going down. I just put the sides on with clips so that I'm able to get in here when I want to harvest something. Yeah, I need to redo this one. So before I even get started, I'm just going to take this off and recover it. I bought a bolt of netting for like $13. And there's quite a bit of netting on there. I have been able to cover so far 1, 2, and I have this much left, quite a bit. So I plan on covering all of my beds except the one with the garlic with this netting. Keep these bugs and moths and things out. Okay, so I used Dollar Tree hula hoops. And on these opposite sides, I use these garden staples to pin the netting down. And let me take the garden staples out. Garden staples. There's one. Hold on, I'm gonna have to move the camera because I got to get one from over here. So let me, don't get dizzy. I'm gonna move you to the other side. Let's see. Can you see? Hold on, y'all. No, you can't see. Let me get it right. Maybe like that. All right, that should be a little better. Now let me get these garden staples out of the soil over here. Another one? Yep, there's one right here in the middle. And there's another one on the other side. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can lift this up. There we go. So when I put this back down, I might come across the other way. I might do it this way. I'm not sure. Let me move this out the way. So look at there. I'm going to recover that. Can't see it too good because I'm up close and personal on this camera. And I just saw a white butterfly, white moth, whatever that thing is. So let me cut off the flowering parts, right? Because bolting, that's what it's called. We don't want it to bolt, right? I think I'm doing this right. These are some kind of mustard greens here. I forgot the name of them. It starts with an M. M something mustard greens. I don't know. And I'll just throw that stuff in compost. There we go. That's better. Now let me cut these flowers off of these. I believe they told me this is spinach from the community garden. Is that what the type of spinach looks like? I've never grown spinach before. Let me show you these flowers. I hope that's not broccoli. I don't think so. They told me it was spinach, so I am cutting that off. I hope that's the case. Because I don't want to be cutting the top of broccoli off, but I was told it's spinach. Y'all, what y'all think? I don't know. don't even know. I'm scared now. I don't think I want to cut the rest of that off. I think I'm gonna wait. But it's not tight clusters, so I'm not sure. So let me do a little pruning while I'm in here. Get these bottom leaves off.
Well, hi, Grandma.
Well, hello, honey. I'm gonna leave that alone for right now, and I'm just gonna harvest some of this Swiss chard. Yeah. And then I'll rebuild this netting on another video. What did I do with my scissors? You want to help me pick some? Yes. Come on, go around this way.
But I already picked it.
Swiss chard. Say hi to everybody. Mimi's here in the garden. All right, so these, we gotta pick the outer leaves. What is this? Is this a leaf? What is this? I don't know if this is green. Yeah, it's not what that is. So look, start at the bottom of these, and pick these leaves. Just snap them off. Yep. Snap it off. We gotta leave the middle ones. So this one. Oh, I got it. Come over to this one.
This one?
Oh yeah. Good job. Get this one on. That's good. Snap it. Do your thing now. There you go. Okay, come to this one. So we want to leave the middle ones. And let's get these outside ones.
First?
Because it's hot out here.
I think we should go inside soon, right?
Well, maybe not. I got work to do out here. I just came out. Are you going to help with this one or no? You don't have to. I can finish it. Look those little ones. That was a big one. That's okay.
And everyone's eating it.
Oh yeah. There's going to be some bugs in here, but not many. I'm trying to save it from getting eaten up. Here you go. You get those couple. Oh, that one broke off. Oh, yeah. So those little ones down there, and I'll get these. Now, I had sprayed these with baking soda water combination, and I think it was too hot when I did. There's some white spots on some of these. I'm just going to cut it off. But I think that's all I'm going to do for now. Work on covering this back. And y'all let me know if that was broccoli or is that how spinach bolts. Somebody let me know. So here's our harvest. Look at that Swiss chard. Well, hold it. Go rinse that off and cook it up. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Peace and love. And we'll see you soon out on these YouTube streets. Later, Gators. Where are you going with it? You just put it on the porch. Where are you going? Oh, you gonna give it to the neighbors or something? What are you doing?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, don't give my stuff away.